High protein, over 60 grams of protein in one single bar. High fiber, high energy, all healthy, super tasty, super crispy protein bar. Made with just 2 simple ingredients, but tastes so good and is so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw 1 cup of soy flakes into a pan. Next, roast them until super crispy. Now melt 1 bar of dark chocolate. And combine it with the flakes. Pour it into a chocolate mold. And let it cool. Now enjoy a super crispy and super powerful protein bar. Thanks for watching.